Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin by taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of this incredible 435D M Sport Coupe presented in Alpine White, which is of course also fitted one of our full YNC Mperformance body styling kits too, alongside fitting the 19-inch 763M style alloy wheels, of course being famed for being fitted to the BMW M4 CS edition. At the front of the car, you'll notice it's a 2015 65 reg, and there you'll be able to see the Angel Light and xenon headlamps. Moving down the side of the car, situated behind those very nice alloy wheels, you'll be able to see the vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus braking package, thanks to the car being equipped with the full BMW M Sport Plus package. Also our satin side vinyls, gloss back side bars and YNC Mperformance decals, alongside of course the sun protection glazing. All of the exterior for this vehicle is in very nice condition, and of course I'll run you through onto the interior very shortly. And for this car we've got the black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric movement and memory, along with the heated seat option as well. And of course, again, thanks to that superb plus pack, we get that Harman Kardon surround sound as well. Moving on to give you a glance at the rear. For the rear seats, you'll find the Isofix rear bench and a central folding armrest and storage tray. And again, thanks to being the M Sport, of course, you get that lovely darkened M Sport headliner. Everything in terms of the interior, again, is very nicely presented, as you should be able to see there. And we'll move shortly round to the rear. Again, showing you off those lovely alloy wheels. They are the 19-inch, and they are, of course, all brand new with brand new tyres. And they look absolutely incredible set against this Alpine White Coupe. At the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser. And we'll open up that boot now to show you the luggage capacity for the 4 Series Coupe if you've not yet seen one. You'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space you do have, alongside the fact you also have the split folding seats to further enhance that already very large space. Moving around again to the other side, again we can show you just how nicely presented this vehicle is. A very clean and tidy example for, of course, a car that is on a 2015 65 reg. And of course, not forgetting, being the 435D, it does have that superb BMW xDrive 4-wheel drive system, keeping all of that over 300 horsepower planted down to the road. Moving on inside, again, showing you off those memory controls. We've also got power folding mirrors as well. And now I'm sat very comfortably inside. We'll run you through a couple of the features and functions, all on this lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. First of all, starting with, of course, the navigation, which is a very user-friendly system. Moving over to the Bluetooth screen, which is, of course, where you'll pair the device not only for telephone as well as audio. We've also got DAB, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, which we'll take a quick look at now. So in terms of your multimedia, you've got USB, Bluetooth audio, as I mentioned, and AUX inputs, along with the fantastic music collection as well. And if we go back to the main menu, we'll check out all of the service requirements and service history very shortly. Down here is where we'll find the dual climate control, along with the switches, of course, for these lovely front heated seats. And if I go down now into vehicle information, we will also be able to find the service requirements and, of course, service history. Next service not due for 6,000 miles. And the vehicle also does have full BMW service history right up to the present service. And of course, not only have we got 4-wheel drive, we've also got a twin turbo diesel engine. We've also got the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and the current mileage is on just over 86,000 miles. However, hopefully I've been able to show you during this video the vehicle is in fantastic condition inside and out, and does come equipped with some lovely options, including all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, such as, of course, the full performance body styling kit and these absolutely incredible brand new 19-inch CS style alloy wheels. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do, of course, hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully, guys, we'll see yourselves very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.